Got another job in the machine shop I got to do. Should be a quick one. I don't know. That's how they go. They never are quick. They're always, you know, they take forever. Anyway, my buddy Doug, the guy who gave me my gas pump that I painted. If you look at my videos, there's one in there about a gas pump I fixed up. He gave me the pump and actually painted the green part for me. And, I did the rest. So anyways, I'm swapping off some work. I already did a little bit for him, but I'm going to get some parts ready here. He's got a little 4-cylinder modified garden tractor that he pulls. That's a motorcycle engine, and he's changing around the whole drive system, and he needed a little bit of machining done. And, you know, Doc's a pretty handy guy, but when you need a machine shop, you need a machine shop. That's all there is to it. So I've got a couple things to bore out and a couple things to drill some holes in so he can bolt it together, and I think he'll be all set. Should be pretty simple. Okay, we're gonna get a little crafty here, kids, so keep up. This is something they won't teach you in trade school. The chuck on my lathe is kind of a piece of junk, and it doesn't hold parts well if they're small, and especially this being a sprocket. Holding the teeth is, the big sprocket was bad enough. This little sprocket would be real bad. So I need to turn the OD of the shoulder on the sprocket. I'm gonna use my mill as a lathe to turn. Just watch. You'll see what I mean. All right. So what I need to do is I got to take this sprocket and spin this hub down so it's all the same diameter, right? It's not a great way for me to hold this in my lathe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it on. I just chopped off a bolt. I'm gonna hold it on that bolt. It has a couple set screws in it. I'm just gonna snug them. Once it's in the collet, I'll snug the nut. I should be able to hold it and turn that shoulder off. My lathe chuck doesn't like to hold anything smaller than 3/4. This is 5/8. It's not gonna hold it well. It'll wiggle in there. The jaws are ground. It's a really cheap chuck, and it's kind of a piece of junk. So we're gonna make do. I think this will work. We'll find out. There we go. That project's done. So this is normally, this hub is a shaft drive for a motorcycle engine, and I just bored it out to take this sprocket. Doug's gonna weld that in there. He'll weld around there, and that'll be one piece that'll bolt to the engine and drive that sprocket, which will drive to this one. This is a car, like a, you know, a little car wheel bearing pack hub. He'll just through bolt where the lug nuts normally go, and then where the CV shaft, he's got the CV shaft, and he's just gonna run that to the rear end of the tractor. I guess it's that simple. So should be a slick setup for him. He's getting rid of like a transfer case and a transmission and a whole bunch of stuff that tends to break on him. So should be a good setup. If you like this sort of thing or any of the other nonsense you see on my channel, surf around there, look at some other videos. If you like any of it, click subscribe. That's how it works, you know. All right, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all, and God bless America.